Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Let's make another awesome sweet which is Kala Jamun. With vanilla ice cream, I love it. But first, let's learn how to make this. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. Today, we're going to make once again the Kala Jamun. Kala Jamun is my favorite, especially, when that gets caramelized in frying, the jamuns get that very nice dark color. It is excellent along with vanilla ice cream. Whenever I find Kala Jamuns, I always have it with vanilla ice cream. But for making these Kala Jamuns, I am using the Khoya. This is, you can make the Khoya at home or even store-bought, and this is made with milk powder. That's why you get this nice slightly yellowish color. What we're going to do is, we're going to knead this very softly, very gently. Mostly what I do is, we grate this Khoya into a fine thing and then we're going to knead it. And knead it till this is nice and soft. Look at this. So slow kneading will give you this structure. So in this, we're going to add Khoya is 250 grams. In this, we're going to add 50 grams of maida. We need to add pinch of soda to make sure that our jamuns are nice and soft from inside, and mix this soda along with this flour. Do not add soda to the Khoya directly, because otherwise you will have these bubbles like thing happening and they may even break. Mixing this together itself is an art. So what we do is, we take help of a little bit milk. When you knead it, these things will become harder. But you guys know how the gulab jamuns have to be done. Look at this. This is very soft. This will break like this. And even after mixing maida, they should not stretch. If it stretches, that means you added too much maida. And already, because in this we added little bit maida when we made this Khoya, in this just add this maida like this, and we're going to slowly, you look at this, crumble it like this, and then we're going to add a little bit of milk, and then we're going to make this into a nice soft dough. Look at this. This is a little bit harder now. Mix it gently. That's when you will have this Kala Jamuns perfect. Even gulab jamuns, you make it with this mixture just like this. You can check out videos of how to make Khoya in my website. I have also done it with milk powder. I have done it with buffalo milk. I have done it with cow milk. Whichever one you are using, you can use it. So in this, sprinkle a little bit of milk and then again keep mixing. Now you guys know, you made gulab jamun many times. You know this mixture has to be soft little bit, but it should not be kneaded a lot. Like this, I think I will need little more of moisture, but do not add a lot, just what is required. When you knead this too much, the fat from this, the ghee from this will come out. So you have to be very careful, handle it gently. That's when you will be able to make good Kala Jamun or gulab jamun. Look at this, very gently. When you mix this thoroughly, that's when we're going to turn this into Kala Jamun. Put it in the hand, just squeeze it, and then gently you will be able to make this into a nice round, and your hand will be slightly shiny. Now this mixture is all ready. Now we're going to shape it in the bullet shape or whatever you want. Usually the Kala Jamuns, we make it slightly bigger than gulab jamuns in a bullet shape. You can make it same like gulab jamun round, but we're going to have a stuffing. The stuffing is very easy. I'm going to take some of this mixture, okay, for the stuffing. In this, I'm going to add a little bit of cardamom powder, and this cardamom powder will give a very nice flavor. In this, we're going to add some saffron. And also, if you want, you can also add a little bit of food color to this, so that when the Kala Jamuns burst open, there is a nice, beautiful color. And also, this little bit of sugar is going to give a very nice caramelization color for your jamuns much faster. Just very little of sugar and then mix all of this. So look at this, nice colorful mixture is ready. We're going to make the jamuns and we're going to do the stuffing also. Now we're going to make these beautiful Kala Jamuns with the stuffing of colorful Khoya. You have this mixture ready, just take it like this, and inside you stuff this colored Khoya. Seal it well, and now once again just make them into a ball, and then make them into a nice bullet. Whatever shape you want, you can make it. I think this should be good enough. So make these dumplings like this, and then we're going to fry it just like gulab jamun, and till they get nice dark color. So we're going to fry it with lot more care. Making sugar syrup is also easy, very easy. Lot of people add too much water. Do not do that. Add sugar, add water just to cover that. So look at this. Do not add too much water. Now this is wet. That's all. Now heat it till your sugar syrup is nicely melted. If you add too much water, you're going to cook it for a long time. It is waste of fuel, waste of energy. Once this is all boiled, you get single soft string consistency. The string has to break. It should not hold on. So for a gulab jamun or a kala jamun, that should be the consistency. And also to purify the sugar syrup, you can add a little bit of lemon juice, purify it, and also it will help in not crystallizing back again. And a lot of people in the old days, when the sugar used to be a lot of impurities, they used to add milk to this, and then all the impurities will flow out on top. But nowadays in the market you get good sugar. Just add water and bring the sugar syrup to the right consistency for your kala jamun. The oil should not be very hot, and as I have told you, whether you make gulab jamun or kala jamun, just make sure that the oil is rotating. When you drop in these jamuns, they will not go and stick at the bottom. So now very carefully we are going to drop them. At the same time, we are going to rotate the oil. This rotating the oil will make sure they do not go to the bottom and stick. At the same time, it will also help in getting a very nice color. You need to cook on the slow heat for a long time, and the sugar inside will slowly melt, and when it reaches the outside skin, that's when you will get really nice dark color. But sugar is not necessary. There is some kind of sweetness in the milk that will also give very good color on a slow temperature for a maximum time. So my son is here and he's asking me who invented this kala jamun. Some of the halwai, he forgot. He put the jamuns there and the jamuns got black. But later, when people tasted it, they loved it more than gulab jamun, and especially with some ice cream, they will love it even more. On a slow heat, we're going to cook them till they are nice and dark color. First, they will get nice regular gulab jamun color, but on slow cooking, they will get the nice dark color. Now look at them. They have come to the nice gulab jamun color, and on the reduced flame, keep cooking. Always, try and keep moving them so they keep rotating. And your jamuns have to get even more darker, and not just the darker color, this will also give little bit thicker skin for these gulab jamuns. This needs to keep frying like this. Look at them, they are perfect to be gulab jamuns, but we are going to make kala jamun. We need to keep frying, and then these ones will get slightly thicker skin also. They get darker, and that's when you will call them kala jamuns. So keep cooking till you get the desired dark color. Look at these jamuns. Very nice, like golden, like gulab jamun, but now they have become darker like kala. So this is what a kala jamun is. The same mixture, but the nice caramelization aroma that comes will make these jamuns very, very tasty. Look at them. Once they get into the sugar syrup, they get beautiful. First, add some cardamom flour into the sugar syrup, and in this, drop in these jamuns. And now we're going to let them soak all the juices. We'll have this awesome kala jamun ready. Now look at them, the perfect kala jamun, and when you cut it open, you will have a nice red color inside, and just with a scoop of vanilla should be good enough on top. Along with this, you will thoroughly really enjoy it, because this kala jamun has one special taste. That is, when the chocolate has a kind of bitterness, even this kala jamun has that mild thing what people just love it with ice cream. Look at the kala jamun, the outer skin, and along with this vanilla ice cream, it tastes. You don't have to eat with ice cream. I just love it that way. Make kala jamun at home, and your kids, your family members, everybody will thoroughly enjoy it. Look at this. The another batch of the kala jamuns are ready to go into the sugar syrup. And let them soak in the sugar syrup for at least 20-30 minutes, and they will absorb all the juices. And this is perfect. Dear friends, make this kala jamun at home and enjoy it, and keep saying Vareva.